مرحبا بكم في قناة تاتس التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب. الآن زوروا موقعنا howtutsgames.com للتركيز على الدروس واختبار المعلومات، كما يتم تحديث المحتوى التعليمي باستمرار. Unit 3 الوحدة الثالثة My school is cool. مدرستي رائعة. أجب على معلومات عن مدرستك. اسمها، عدد طلابها، أيضا هل فيها غداء؟ وهل يوجد باص للتنقل؟ وهل هنالك بدلة موحدة؟ ومتى تبدأ؟
1.
What's the name of your school?
Bedrock Elementary School.
2.
How many students are there in your school?
About 1,000.
3.
Do you have school lunch at your school?
Yes, we do. Every day.
4.
Does your school have a school bus?
Yes, it does. It has a big yellow bus.
5.
Do you have a school uniform?
Yes, we do.
6.
What time does your school start?
It starts at 8:30.
Are you ready? Make pairs. One partner ask a question. The other partner give an answer. Like this.
Okay, let's start. You go first.
What's the name of your school?
Little Rock Elementary School.
How many students are there in your school?
I don't know.
Do you have school lunch at your school?
No, we don't. We bring our own.
Does your school have a school bus?
No, it doesn't.
Do you have a school uniform?
No, we don't.
What time does your school start?
It starts at 8 o'clock.
Okay, now it's your turn.
What's the name of your school?
Now make pairs and let's do it for real.
املأ هذه الفراغات عن مدرستك.
Okay, are you finished writing? Can you get up and talk about your school? Hi, let me introduce my school. The name of my school is 13th Elementary School. There are about 600 students in my school.
Wow, that's a lot of students. We don't have school lunch at our school. Our school doesn't have a school bus. We have a school uniform. Our school starts at 8 o'clock.
Your school sounds cool. Okay, that was great. Thank you. Now, let's do it for real. Who's next?
استمع وردد which أي ثم المضارع أو الزمن الماضي.
1. Which subject do you like most this year?
This year, I like math.
2. Which subject did you like most last year?
Last year, I liked PE.
3. Which grade are you in this year?
This year, I am in the 6th grade.
4. Which grade were you in last year?
Last year, I was in the 5th grade.
5. Which city do you live in?
We live in Najran.
6. Which city did you and your parents go to last year?
Last year, we went to Riyadh.
Make pairs. One partner ask a question. The other partner give an answer. Like this.
Okay, I'll start. Which subject do you like most this year? This year, I like English. Which subject did you like most last year?
Last year, I liked science.
Which grade are you in this year?
This year, I'm in the 6th grade.
Which grade were you in last year?
Last year, I was in the 5th grade.
Which city do you live in?
We live in Jazan.
Which city did you and your parents go to last year?
Last year, we went to Abha.
Now it's your turn.
Which subject do you like most this year?
This year I like PE.
Now you try.
استمع وتدرب. do يعمل أو يقوم ب، والماضي منها did قام ب. are للجماعة، وwere في الماضي للجماعة كذلك، ولايك في المضارع يحب، ولايكت أحب أو أعجب به في الماضي. go يذهب في المضارع، ولأنه غير منتظم لا يأخذ ed، فنأتي بكلمة ثانية وهي كلمة went ذهب.
First, let's practice the verbs.
Do, did,
Are,
were, like,
liked.
go, went.
Now practice in pairs. One partner say a verb. The other partner say the past tense form, like this.
Are you ready? Okay. Are, were,
Go,
went, do,
did.
like, liked,
Okay, now it's your turn.
like, liked.
Okay, now it's your turn.
العب لعبة المواد الدراسية language اللغة science العلوم math الرياضيات social studies الاجتماعيات English اللغة الإنجليزية PE physical education التربية البدنية art الفن history التاريخ.
Subject Race 1. Practice.
First, let's practice the subject words. Listen, point, and say. Language. Science. Math. Social studies. English. PE. Art. History. Okay, good. Now let's play. Listen carefully to the sentences and circle the subject words for last year. This year, I like science. Last year, I liked language. This year, I like history. Last year, I liked PE. This year, I like English. Last year, I liked social studies.
Done.
Okay, tell me your answers.
Language, social studies, PE.
Yes, that's right. Well done. Now, let's play for real.
الآن اكتب المواد حسب استماعك لها.
Okay, did you write 8 subject words and the star in the subject race squares in a different order? Now, listen carefully to the sentences and circle the subject words for last year. Are you ready? Star. This year, I like math. Last year, I liked art. This year, I like social studies. Last year, I liked language. This year, I like English. Last year, I liked science. This year, I like history. Last year, I liked PE. Did you get the words? Good job. Now, let's play again.
استمع وردد. رنا had a little lamb. كان لرنا حمل صغير.
Rana had a little lamb.
Rana had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Rana went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
الآن غير الزمن للأفعال المضللة بالأزمنة على اليمين.
First, let's practice the verb.
Has.
First, let's practice the verbs. Had,
Has. Was.
is,
Went. Goes.
was,
Is. Followed.
follows,
Was. Is.
made.
Makes.
Okay, now change the verb tense and chant, like this.
Rana has a little lamb. Its fleece is white as snow. Everywhere that Rana goes, the lamb is sure to go. It follows her to school one day, which is against the rules. It makes the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Okay, now it's your turn.
القوانين الصفية ومعانيها. الحلول: Don't shout. لا تصرخ. Speak clearly. تحدث بصوت واضح أو بشكل واضح. Listen. استمع. ونكملها to the teacher. للمعلم. Stand up when you present. قف عندما تكون حاضرا. Ask for help when you have a problem. اطلب المساعدة عندما تكون لديك مشكلة. Don't forget to do your homework. لا تنسى أن تقوم بواجبك. Use your CD when you study English. استخدم السي عند دراسة اللغة الإنجليزية. Don't make too much noise when you play games. لا تصدر ضجيجا عند اللعب. Speak English in class. تحدث الإنجليزية في الصف.
First, let's practice some words and phrases. Listen, point, and say. Don't shout. Listen. Stand up. Ask. Don't forget. Use. Don't make. Speak. When you have a problem. When you present. Speak clearly. Too much noise. When you play games. Do your homework. When you study English. Now, listen and match. Draw a line, like this. Don't shout. Speak clearly. Don't shout. Speak clearly.
Don't shout. Speak clearly.
Listen to the teacher.
Stand up when you present. Ask for help when you have a problem.
Don't forget to do your homework.
Use your CD when you study English.
Don't make too much noise when you play games. Speak English in class.
Okay, now copy the rules. Work with a partner. Find pictures and make a poster.
تدرب على نطق هذه الكلمات.
SC says sk, sk, scarf, scarf.
Sk, sk, scarf.
SK says sk, sk, sky.
Sk, sk, sky.
SQ says sk, sk, square.
Sk, sk, square.
Remember, they all make the same sound.
اكتب الحروف الناقصة.
Sky, sky. Did you write SK? Square, square. Did you write SQ? Scarf, scarf. Did you write SC? Skate, skate. Did you write SK? Squeeze, squeeze. Did you write SQ? Scary, scary. Did you write SC? Skirt, skirt. Did you write SK? Squid, squid. Did you write SQ? Scan, scan. Did you write SC? Well done. Now read and spell the words with a partner.
أكمل هذه الكلمات من هذه الصور. الآن اكتب عن مدرستك.
First, listen and read the text. Then, read it on your own.
I live in a small town. I have lots of friends, and we all go to the same school. Our school is really cool. There are about 20 classrooms, a library, a big yard, and an art workshop. The principal's office and the teacher's lounge are on the ground floor. There are smart classrooms in our school with computers, projectors, and interactive boards. We really like using our smart classroom.
Now read on your own. Then write about your school.
الآن زوروا موقعنا howtutsgames.com للتركيز على الدروس واختبار المعلومات، كما يتم تحديث المحتوى التعليمي باستمرار. كان معكم الأستاذ جاسم العقيلي، مع تمنياتنا لكم بالتوفيق والتفوق.